When we picture a farm, we often see a cow. These gentle giants are a familiar sight. They stand peacefully in green fields and chew their cud slowly. Cows are some of the most important animals in agriculture. They are not just livestock, they are living beings with their own worlds. I have spent my life trying to understand how animals think, and honestly, cows have a lot going on in their minds. They are social animals. They form bonds with each other and, they are curious and gentle by nature. We need to see them as more than just a source of food. They are true unsung heroes of our farms and have been for a very long time. Cows and people have a long history together. This relationship started over 10,000 years ago. Early humans saw the value in these large, calm herbivores and domesticated wild cattle, which were called aurochs. This was a big step for human civilization. Suddenly, people had a reliable source of food. They had milk, which is full of nutrients. They had meat for protein. They even used the strong hides to make leather for clothing and shelter. In many parts of the world, cows and oxen were also used for labor. They pulled plows through fields, helping farmers grow more crops than ever before. This partnership changed human society forever. The benefits that cows provide are immense. Think about a glass of milk or a scoop of ice cream. These simple pleasures come from cows. A single healthy cow can produce a lot of milk, sometimes over 9 gallons every day. This milk is then used to make many other dairy products we love, like cheese, butter, and yogurt. Beyond dairy, cows are a major source of beef, which is a staple food for billions of people around the globe. Their contributions do not stop there. Leather from their hides is used for shoes, belts, and furniture. Even their manure is valuable. It is a natural fertilizer that enriches the soil, helping more plants to grow. It is important to understand these animals from their perspective. How do they see the world? What do they feel? When we look at a cow, we should see more than just a resource. We should see a complex animal that deserves our respect and care. Their role in our lives is huge, from the food on our tables to the clothes we wear. They help maintain healthy ecosystems by grazing on grasslands. Their long history with humans is a story of partnership. By learning more about them, we can appreciate their contributions even more. We can also learn how to give them better lives, which is a goal we should all share. They are truly vital to our world. Cows experience the world in ways that are very different from us. Their senses are tuned for survival in the open grasslands. One of their most amazing abilities is their sense of smell. A cow can detect odors from very far away, up to 6 miles if the wind is right. This powerful sense helps them find fresh grass and water. It also alerts them to predators long before they can see them. This is a key reason why they often seem so calm. They are constantly smelling the air, gathering information about their surroundings. They can even smell fear or stress in other animals, which helps the herd stay safe. Their world is a rich map of scents that we can only imagine. Another fascinating thing about cows is their digestive system. People often say that cows have 4 stomachs, which is a simple way to explain it. Technically, they have one large stomach with 4 different compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This complex system allows them to do something amazing. They can eat tough, fibrous plants like grass and hay, which humans cannot digest. The first compartment, the rumen, is like a giant fermentation vat. It is filled with billions of microbes that break down the tough plant material. This process is what allows them to get all the nutrients they need from their food. This unique digestive process leads to a famous cow behavior, chewing cud. Have you ever seen a cow just lying down, chewing on something even though it is not eating? That is called rumination, or chewing their cud. After a cow eats, the partially digested food from the rumen and reticulum comes back up into its mouth in small balls. The cow then chews this cud thoroughly, sometimes for hours. This breaks down the food even more, making it easier for the microbes to do their work. Chewing cud is a sign of a relaxed and healthy cow. It is a vital part of their digestion and allows them to get every last bit of energy from their grassy meals. Understanding these biological details is crucial. It helps us see why cows behave the way they do. Their strong sense of smell makes them sensitive to new or strange odors, which can cause them stress. Knowing about their 4-part stomach helps us understand their dietary needs. We learn why high-quality grass and hay are so important for their health. When we design farms and handling facilities, we must think about these things. We need to create environments that work with their natural biology, not against it. This makes the animals healthier and calmer, which is better for them and for the people who work with them. Cows are highly social animals. They do not like to be alone. In a field, you will almost always see them in a group or a herd. Within this herd, they form complex social structures. They have a pecking order or a hierarchy, which determines who gets to eat or drink first. They also form very strong friendships. Cows will often have a few best friends that they spend most of their time with. They will graze together, rest side by side, and even groom each other as a sign of affection. These bonds are very important for their well-being. A cow that is separated from its friends can become stressed and anxious. Their social intelligence is quite impressive. Research has shown that cows can recognize and remember a lot of different faces. They can distinguish between more than 50 other cows in their herd, and they can also remember the faces of different humans. They know who is kind to them and who is not. This is why it is so important for people who work with cattle to be calm and gentle. If a cow has a bad experience with a person, it will remember that person and be fearful of them in the future. Their ability to recognize individuals shows that they have a complex social memory and are aware of their relationships. Cows are also much smarter than many people think. They are capable of learning and problem solving. In experiments, scientists have taught cows to media group, cow pressing a lever or button in an outdoor experiment setting, cow using nose to interact with device for food at stock at distribute _ equally, press a lever to get a food reward, or to open a gate to reach a special treat. When they figure out the puzzle, they show signs of excitement. Their heart rates go up, and they might even kick up their heels a little, like a person saying, "Aha, I got it." This shows that they feel a sense of achievement and pleasure from learning. They have good long-term memories as well, remembering solutions to problems for a long time. They are not just mindless creatures. They are thinking, feeling animals. Just like us, cows experience a range of emotions. They can feel joy, fear, anxiety, and affection. You can see their emotions in their body language and the sounds they make. A happy, relaxed cow will have soft ears and a calm posture. A frightened cow will have wide eyes, tense muscles, and may hold its head high to look for danger. They communicate with each other through different types of moos, grunts, and even facial expressions. A mother cow will have a special moo for her calf. Understanding their emotional states is key to providing them with good welfare. We must give them environments where they feel safe and can express their natural social behaviors. While cows are important everywhere, their cultural significance varies around the world. In many Western countries, they are seen primarily through the lens of agriculture. They are providers of milk and meat. But in other cultures, their role is much deeper and more spiritual. In India, for example, the cow is considered a sacred animal in Hinduism. They are seen as a symbol of life, wealth, and gentleness. They are often allowed to wander freely, even in busy city streets, and it is considered very wrong to harm them. This deep respect comes from the cow's giving nature. It provides milk that nourishes everyone, like a mother. This cultural respect is a powerful reminder of the cow's multifaceted importance. They are not just cogs in an agricultural machine. They are woven into the fabric of human history, religion, and culture. The image of the cow represents different things to different people: sustenance, prosperity, peace, and even divinity. This reverence highlights the symbiotic relationship we have had with them for millennia. They give us so much, and in return, cultures like India's offer them protection and respect. It is a beautiful example of how humans can see animals as more than just a resource, but as fellow beings deserving of honor. Ultimately, cows are fundamental to many of the world's ecosystems and agricultural systems. Through grazing, they help manage grasslands, which prevents overgrowth and reduces the risk of wildfires. Their manure returns vital nutrients to the soil, promoting fertility and supporting plant life. This creates a sustainable cycle that benefits the entire environment. They turn inedible grass into high-quality protein and nutrient-rich milk, making them incredibly efficient converters of energy. Their role is not just about producing food for humans. It is about maintaining a healthy balance in the natural world. They are a cornerstone of regenerative agriculture. From the ancient plains where they were first domesticated to the modern farms and sacred streets of today, cows have been our steadfast companions. They are gentle giants with complex inner lives, strong social bonds, and surprising intelligence. They feel emotions, solve problems, and communicate with one another. They provide us with essential food and materials, but their true value goes far beyond that. They are an integral part of our planet's health and our shared human story. The next time you see a cow peacefully chewing its cud in a field, take a moment to appreciate these incredible unsung heroes of our world.